In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pricing tables with Pandadoc, perfect if you're just starting out. Pandadoc is an amazing tool that helps you create, approve, track, and e-sign documents much faster. So let's dive into how you can craft a brilliant pricing table using this platform. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Pandadoc website. You can simply type in the URL or use your favorite search engine to find it. Once there, the homepage will greet you with lots of information about their services. But to get started, you'll want to focus on logging in. You'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click that. Once you've clicked, you'll see options for logging in via different methods, and in our case we're going to use Google for a quick and seamless experience. Click on the Google option and it will prompt you to select the Google account you wish to use. If you're already logged in, it may instantly display a list of your accounts. Choose your desired account and Pandadoc will do the rest by logging you in and directing you to your dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll want to select the document you plan to work on. Your documents section will display various existing documents you may have previously created. Find the one you'd like to add a pricing table to and click on it. This will open up the document for editing. With the document open, you'll spot a plus icon, a familiar symbol for adding. Click on this plus icon to reveal the types of content you can insert into your document. Among these options, you'll see the pricing table. Pricing tables are a great way to showcase a comparative analysis of different pricing plans, services, or products you're offering. Selecting this will allow you to incorporate a fully customizable pricing table into the document. At this stage, you now have the power to tailor the pricing table according to your specific needs. You can modify the descriptions, the categories, the prices, and any other relevant detail that matches the content you want to present. The user interface is intuitive and designed to make it easy, even for beginners, so feel free to play around and adjust the table as you see fit. And there you have it, you've successfully added a pricing table to your document using Pandadoc. The platform really makes it simple and efficient to enhance your documents with professional touches. Practice this a few times, and you'll be creating pricing tables like a pro. Thank you for watching and happy documenting.